Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by stabilizing the doll on a towel and removing any wig or neck cap that blocks the head seam. Use the small Phillips to take out visible screws. If none, locate the seam and gently pry with a flat tool. Once the seam opens, expose the eye mechanism. You do this because many rainbow high dolls use a simple snap-in eye cup. Make sure to collect screws and parts in a labeled tray so nothing is lost before continuing to the internal mechanism. You now work inside the head. Identify the eye cup clips and release them slowly so plastic tabs don't snap. Once the cup is free, remove the old eye discs or chips and insert the new ones, keeping the printed side facing outward. This ensures proper color and reflection. After placing the discs, reseat any felt pads or springs that maintain tension so the eyes stay in position. Then check alignment by closing the head slightly and observing both pupils. Adjust until gaze. You finish by snapping the eye cup evenly into its frame and cycling the eyes to confirm smooth movement. Once satisfied, replace screws and reattach the wig or neck cap, wiping away fingerprints with a soft cloth so paint and print stay crisp. If something feels loose or the gaze is off, reopen the head and tweak the cup placement, adding a tiny 0.5 mm pad or shifting the disc corrects off-center pupils. One troubleshooting tip: if eyes stick, check for trapped glue or misiated pads and clean.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.